Hi guys, welcome back on TechAid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to create a poll on Telegram. First of all, you can open the Telegram application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the chat section at the bottom middle of the screen. Tap on it. And here you can just simply select the group or channel that you want to send a poll. I can select this channel. After selecting the channel, you can now tap on attachments at the middle left side of the screen. Tap on it, or you can just simply tap on poll at very bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here you can just simply ask a question. And after asking the question, you can just simply write add a poll options, or you can just simply now tap on send at the top right corner of the screen. And this is the way you can create poll on Telegram. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.